Pakai ini aja nih, pakai peps. Sama one more ya. Wait. Oke, teman-teman, hari ini Devanka and Abiya we going to draw and coloring our drawing
with color peps.
With color peps or with some coloring tools. Like
But I don't want to color it.
Oh, you want to do something else? Yeah, you can get your paper then. Okay. Nanti aku ada lagi satu lagi. Where is it?
Okay. Oh, this Mr. Sun, need to go to sun. Dan aja deh warna yang rambut.
Okay, as usual, you have to show to the audience step by step, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Wait until the viewers come. That one is still 0, right?
Yeah.
Wait up. After that one's 1, and then you have to open it. Hi. Wait, yeah. I will give you 2 minutes.
Mau gambar apa hari ini? Boleh terserah. Boleh. Yang satunya lagi biar. Wait. Oh, hi. Today, I'm going to draw a fox saying hi. So first, draw upside down triangle here. It's as if the body is cut. Like this, like for example, a upside down triangle and then 2 triangles on the upside down triangle like this, and then you draw like a curve in here and draw the eyes. Then draw like this, for example. Wait, yeah. My imagination is.
Is there any viewers?
Yeah.
Okay, now I want you to get closer and then you can share your idea together, yeah. You have to speak also, yeah.
Like my example is like
ngomong juga ya.
a fox is using wings.
Okay, that's juga boleh. Devanka, you can talk to Abiya also.
My ears are hurt. And then draw like a curve in here like this. And then like this. This one become the hand. And then you just draw one more hand like this. And draw the foxtail. And draw the message in here. Wait, yeah. Draw like this and type inside. Hi. It's like and then after that, you can draw like a castle maybe. So just first draw like this. No, we're not going to draw a castle. We're just going to draw something like this. And oh my God. What am I going to? You just use your imagination to draw something in here. Oh. Ada nanti tahu pasti. Okay. Here's my imaginary giant bird. This is the face. First one I draw like this ones, and I draw circle. And then I draw the mouth and then the eyes. Like this. Yeah, this is the weird one. But it's good. My first try. I draw like this. And it is good. Is this good or bad? Okay, whatever. Yeah. Marker again. And then bagus. Just use your creativity to draw something. Pretend this is a glowing. It's glowing. And then you can draw like more things. Let's do more things. Marker! I'm going to draw the night thing. Ding, 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 and let's draw a person again. Let's draw the U letter first. And a cracking egg effect of this. Because I'm so hungry. I'm finished. And then draw like this. And the ears. And draw the eyes, nose, and mouth. The nose can be a comma. And make it into a girl later. So let's draw the neck by making a U letter. And you should draw like this. Draw a rectangle on the neck. Like for example, this. And then just draw the long sleeve. Today I'm going to make a special one. My finish. I'm finished, Devanka. Okay. Let's draw like this. Wait, yeah. This is a fox girl. Like, a girl that have fox ears. It's real ears and tail, you know. And let's draw the hair. See this? Did you see the tail? The tail is in here. And then, yeah, so that's it. If you want to color it, it's okay. And if you want to add some, it's also okay. At least it's like this. So, yeah, just color it if you want. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. Bye!